If you are working with social media and trying to make a living of it, now here I have a very useful tip for you. Now the same tip I have used for my life and I have maximized my income. So here's the tip. So if you create content once, just focus on creating it once. After creating the content, you can share your same content on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Reel, even on Udemy. Now, especially about Udemy, so if you're selling courses, I definitely suggest you to share your content on Udemy. With this, you'll see that you're boosting your income, you're maximizing your income. Just simply sharing your content for free on YouTube, Instagram, Reel, you'll see you're making very little. But once you do it professionally and at the same time share your content on Udemy,